Welcome to today's video on frequently asked questions about how to prevent bubble formation in epoxy floors. If you've ever struggled with bubbles appearing during your epoxy floor installation, you're not alone. In this video, we'll address the most common questions and provide clear answers to help you achieve a smooth, professional finish. Why do bubbles appear even after priming? Even with a primer, bubbles can form if the substrate is still releasing moisture, the temperature is too high during application, or air was introduced during mixing. Can I fix bubbles after the epoxy has fully cured? Yes. Sand down the affected area, clean it thoroughly, reapply a thin coat of epoxy, and finish with a seal coat for uniformity. What's the best roller to use for epoxy application? A spiked roller is the industry standard for removing trapped air during application. For applying primer or base coats, use a lint-free short-nap roller. How long should I wait between primer and top coat? This depends on the manufacturer's instructions, but generally between 4 to 24 hours. Waiting too long can require additional sanding for proper adhesion. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.